Noah with American Trucks here. This is the Proven Ground rolled end round exhaust tip in 3.5 inch and in black, fitting the 3-inch tailpipe. Now, if you're in dire need for your exhaust to have that certain something about how it looks, then a large diameter exhaust tip that's coated black might be the perfect choice for you. So exhaust tips can kind of be the cherry on top of a build. Personally, I'm a huge fan of the right fit of exhaust tip, and I think it's super important to the look and finish of the build. Now, sometimes the right fit is a larger size one like this, and whether you want it to stand out with a light paint color or blend in with a dark paint color, a black exhaust tip can really be a nice upgrade that adds some flair to the rear bumper or the side exit area. Now, this is sold as a single piece, so if you've got a single exhaust, this is all you need, but if you're rocking dual exhaust, and you'll have to get one for each side. Another great feature of this tip is the fact that it just clamps on the end of the existing exhaust. Some tips need to be welded in place, but this one is hassle-free. Now, this guy is going to fit a 3-inch exhaust tailpipe, so if you've got a different size, you'll need to get an adapter or a different size tip other than this one. As far as construction goes, this whole tip is made from 3.5 inch 304 grade stainless steel. Now, 304 stainless is crazy strong and it's corrosion resistant, so this guy won't rust. And on top of that, it's actually coated in a durable black finish that's lightly textured. Now, this guy will stay looking nice for a super long time, and you won't have to worry about slinging mud or salty road brine on this because it's not gonna rust out like a lot of other exhaust tips. Now, another thing to note about this one is that the end is rolled here. This gives it a nice clean end rather than just a sharp angle cut. And this is also going to make the tip much stronger in case you whack it up against something. And then finally, like I mentioned before, there's a clamp here attached onto the back of the tip, and that's how you'll secure this guy in place. This Proven Ground exhaust tip costs around 60 bucks all said and done. Now, considering that this is 304 stainless and it's coated with a rolled end, I'd say that's actually a pretty good deal. Exhaust tips can get really pricey, and I do think that this falls on the more affordable side of the market out there. Moving on to the install, this guy has a difficulty of 1 out of 3 wrenches, and the install time is going to be about 15 minutes. This is going to be crazy simple for anybody to do, and to show you how it's done, next we have an AT customer to show you how to get it installed.
For this installation, you'll need an 8mm hex key. All right, all you're gonna do is slide the exhaust tip over. Then you're just gonna get in there and tighten. And then once you get it snug on there, you can kind of turn it to however far out or however long you want it in. So then you just keep tightening. And then once it's tight, it's installed.
That was the Proven Ground rolled end round exhaust tip in 3.5 inch and in black, fitting 3-inch tailpipes. For all things truck exhaust, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.